On this Wednesday, thank you for choosing us for your local news and weather. I'm David Carroll with Cindy Sexton, and here's what's happening today. The jury for the trial of the officers convicted on federal charges for the death of a Memphis man is being selected in Hamilton County. 3 officers are going to trial for the state charges they face. In January of 2023, Tyre Nichols died after video showed him being beaten by Memphis police officers. Now, we're going to show you the video, and we want to warn you, it is graphic to see, so you may want to turn away. Memphis police pulled Nichols over for reckless driving. Officers said he was confrontational. While on the ground, Nichols wrestled himself free during their first attempt to handcuff him, and he ran from the scene. Well, the officers were able to catch up with him, and the video shows Nichols being tased, pepper sprayed, and beaten by officers. He died 3 days later in the hospital. Our Xavier Harris was in the courthouse during the early stages of jury selection and joins us now. And Xavier, tell us who was present during that session.
Hey, David. So Judge James Jones Jr. wanted to make sure all parties and all sides were present during today's possibility of picking those jurors. Now, I want to get right to some video that we got when we got here around 8 o'clock this morning. It was about 9 attorneys total that the judge introduced to the possible jurors, and it was all attorneys representing from the defense side as well as the state attorneys for the upcoming trial. Now, Judge Jones made it clear that no jurors would be selected today. Instead, the sole purpose of today's session was to have potential jurors complete a questionnaire, a first step in what's expected to be a careful and thorough process. Now, Judge Jones also addressed the possibility and the responsibilities ahead for anyone selected to serve. He said jurors' duties will officially begin on Sunday, and once Judge Jones addressed the crowd, they were given the option to opt out of being eligible for selection if they faced any hardships. Now, I caught up with one of those excused potential jurors, and here's what she had to say about the process.
In there, they were basically interviewing jurors to determine if they had an extreme financial or otherwise hardship that would preclude them from serving, because they were telling us we'd have to go to Memphis for 1 to 2 weeks, which I am personally not able to do.
Now, former officers Demetrius Haley, Tadarius Bean, and Justin Smith pleaded not guilty in Nichols' death. Emmett Martin III's trial was previously cut from the other 3, and Desmond Mills took a plea deal with plans to testify for the state. Now, this trial is set to begin on Monday, and we will continue to bring you live coverage on air and online. Tonight, we're live in Hamilton County. I'm Xavier Harris, Local 3 News.